I'm Jim Ford with Boulevard Realty, and I'm at 1032 Fugate, the best remodel job I've ever seen in the last 14 years. It's a beautiful house in a historic district that's been totally updated. This house was 988 square feet. It is now 1,577 square feet. In the living room, you have a cathedral ceiling. The original house had a ceiling height of 8 foot 6 inches, and we raised the level of the ceiling inside the house at least another foot. So we have a brand new kitchen, brand new with a great island with lots of cabinet space, all LG appliances, a refrigerator with the greatest ice machine ever, a dishwasher, under counter microwave and oven, under cabinet lighting. It's beautiful. This is a primary bedroom. It's part of the new addition. We were able to control the ceiling height, so we actually have a much taller ceiling. We have a wraparound deck, as you can see behind me, and we also have a walk-in closet. Houses like this in this neighborhood have no closets. This house is over 100 years old, and so now it has a massive walk-in closet with 12 hanging stations. So we're in the primary bathroom. You have a tub, you have a shower with 2 heads. So previously, this house had 0 storage. So now there is storage and cabinets in every room, including a drawer with an electrical plug. All drawers in this house are quiet close. Great house, great environment, fantastic remodel. But one of the best things about this house is the neighborhood that it's situated in. Everyone has pride of ownership. Everyone mows their yard, they keep it updated. So I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. I think that the neighborhood is so great that I actually live across the street.